This video demonstrates how to use your access or activation code from Campion Education to help you easily activate your eText. Each publisher has different steps you will need to follow. This video will guide you through the process for activating an Oxford product, making it as easy as possible for you to get started. After you ordered your eText through Campion, you received an email containing the details of the eText you ordered, your unique access code, the publisher website, and instructions on how to access your eText. To get started, tap on the publisher website in your email or enter it into your web browser. This will take you to the Oxford Digital homepage. If you have an existing Oxford Digital account, tap Sign In to sign into your account. Enter your student email address and tap the Next button. If you have forgotten your password, tap the Forgot link above the password field. A Reset Password pop-up box will appear. Enter your student email address from your existing account and tap the Reset Password button. If the email address is associated with an Oxford Digital account, an email will be sent to your inbox with a link to reset your password. If you have an existing Oxford Digital account, enter your existing student email address and password, then tap Sign In. If you are a new user, you will need to create an Oxford Digital account. Tap the Register button to begin. Search for your school name to see if it has been set up for automatic registration. If your school has not been configured for automatic registration, choose the type of school from the drop-down, primary, secondary or higher education. You will then be redirected to the Register screen. Once there, double-check your registration type is selected correctly and that your role is selected as student. Enter your student email. We recommend you use your school student email address, but if you don't have one, use a personal email address. Enter your first name, last name and a password. The password must be at least 8 characters and can use symbols, letters, numbers, uppercase and lowercase. Then confirm the password. Tick the acknowledgement of the Terms of Purchase and Use box. Then tap Register. Oxford will send you an account verification email to the email address you have nominated. Please note there may be delays of up to 24 hours to receive the email. If it doesn't arrive, please contact Oxford Digital Customer Service. Your account verification email provides you with an Activate Account link that when clicked will take you to your Oxford Digital library. When you first arrive here, it will alert you that you do not yet have active subscriptions. To activate your Oxford Digital product, tap the Activate Product button. To add the new product, you'll need to enter an activation code. You'll find the activation or access code in your email from Campion Education. Enter the code as requested and tap Activate. Once activated, the new product added to your library will be displayed. Click Return to Library to see your new product displayed in your library. Your new eText will be displayed in your library for use. To begin reading, click on the cover image tile. If you've had any problems or still need help, you can email our digital support help desk at digitalhelp@campion.com.au. Please provide us with your student email, student name, the name of your school, and a brief description of the issue you are having. We hope you have found this video useful. For more help videos and step-by-step guides, visit us at campion.com.au.